slam the door. You just let the room go cold. Left your glass beside the sink, like you might still come home. You wore that comb like silk, soft enough to hide the blade. I watched the evening lose your shape before you even walked away. No, no shattered frame, no smoke, no shouted name, just one clean cut, and everything changed. You kissed my face like mercy dressed in grace, but some exits hurt more when they're beautiful that way. You made a velvet exit, smooth as the dark on the Thames. No sound, no crash, no warning, just your goodbye in my hands. You made a velvet exit, left me the scent of your skin. Some loves don't break like thunder, they leave like a knife going in. The hallway kept your heat for maybe half an hour more. I stood there like the floor might speak and tell me what this was for. The night outside looked clean, like nothing sacred had been touched. Funny how the quiet kind can always wreck you twice as much. No tears to weaponize, no blame, no alibis. You left so well, I couldn't even fight. That's what stayed, the elegance of pain, the way you disappeared and still remain. You made a velvet exit, smooth as the dark on the Thames. No sound, no crash, no warning, just your goodbye in my hands. You made a velvet exit, left me the scent of your skin. Some loves don't break like thunder, they leave like a knife going in. Maybe rage would have been kinder, maybe ruin would have been fair, but you left looking almost holy, and I still breathe you in the air. How do I hate what was tender? How do I blame what was true? If the softest way of leaving